Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the COUNTIF function in Excel, a super useful function to count cells based on a specific condition. This is one of the most commonly used functions and is especially helpful when you're dealing with large amounts of data. First, let's take a look at what the COUNTIF function is. COUNTIF is used to count the number of cells within a range that meet a specific condition. The syntax of the COUNTIF function is as follows. Range is the group of cells that you want to count. Criteria is the condition that you want to apply to count the cells.
Now let's jump into a specific example. Suppose you have a list of student test scores, and you want to count how many students scored 7 or higher. The list of scores is in column B, from cell B2 to B21. The formula you will use is this formula will count all the cells within the range, B2 to B21, that have a value greater than or equal to 7. Pretty simple, right? Now let's try another example to help you understand it even better. Suppose you have a list of products in stock, and you want to count how many products have the name laptop. The formula would be, in this example, C2 to C21 is the range containing the product names, and laptop is the condition to count.
The result shows that there are 8 laptop products in stock on this list.
Here's a quick tip. Instead of typing the value laptop directly into the formula, you can reference a cell that contains the word. For example, if cell D1 contains the word laptop, the formula would be this way. Whenever you change the value in cell D1, the result will automatically update.
The COUNTIF function can also be combined with other functions to create more complex formulas. For example, combining it with the SUMIF function to calculate the sum of values that meet a specific condition. Let's see the following example. Suppose you have a list of student test scores with 2 columns, student name and score. Now you want to calculate the average score of students who scored 7 or higher. You will need to combine COUNTIF and SUMIF. First, use the COUNTIF function to count the number of students who scored 7 or higher. Next, use the SUMIF function to calculate the total score of students who scored 7 or higher. Finally, calculate the average score of these students by dividing the total score by the number of students. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.